emotional components ng character, yung mga traits, mga ganun. So,
Ngayon ko lang narinig yung emotional components. Technical, ah.
Tinatry kong i-incorporate yun.
How is your Tagalog? Paano yung mga lines mo Tagalog?
Tagalog. At least, kasi galing LA yung character, so may English din.
Okay.
Nakakapag-Tagalog naman.
So does this mean, syempre tinanggap mo na yung My Cheating Heart, eventually talaga magtutuloy-tuloy ka na sa teleserye, sa acting. Ano pa ba gusto mong gawin? You also sing, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo. Sino ka nakatahan mo?
Saka yung buong mundo, saka sarili ko.
Oo. Teka muna, syempre dahil hindi naman natin maiiwasan to dahil nga lumabas ka sa bahay ni Kuya tapos you found someone special in the house. Marami pa rin nagtatanong, kamusta na ba ang love life mo? Kita mo? Yung yan ang tinanong ko, mas interesado silang lahat.
Bilis lang.
Oo.
So ngayon, I'm still single, but...
Really? Oh. Single?
Pero...
Ayan yung sinasabi ko. Eh kung single ka, bakit parang may nagbabantay sa'yo?
Kasi yung ano namin, like, how we were inside the house, parang ganun pa rin yung feeling, walang nabawasan. We're just enjoying each other's company.
Are you dating anyone right now?
No.
Are you seeing anyone right now? Is there someone special in your life right now? Kasi kung, kasi kung wala, madaming mag-a-apply.
Sige.
Maraming mag-a-apply. Well, one thing for sure.
Yung applications.
Alam mo, one thing for sure, we're all excited about this My Cheating Heart. Kasi syempre, first acting role mo to. Would you like to invite everyone?
Gusto ko pong imbitahan kayo lahat sa Crush Your Hearts Romances presents My Cheating Heart ngayong December 7th na po, starring Jay Cuenca and Christine Reyes.
Okay, maraming salamat, Tom. Thank you very much. Okay, sige, go. Ano pa?
Bukas po, guest din po ako sa ASAP, so samahan niyo po ako doon. Thank you.
Wow. Yes ka uli sa ASAP. Sino kasama mo?
I think I'll be singing with like Sam and...
Oh, wow! Grabe ha. Baka sooner or later maging regular ka na rin sa ASAP. But congratulations ha in your projects and your future endeavors in showbiz. Well, anyway, mga kapamilya, Angelica Pangariban sasagot na sa isyong kumakalat na sexy video daw nila ng kanyang boyfriend na si Derek Ramsey. Ito ang